All right, Ireland, it's been real. I've had 2 Guinnesses. Now we're going to the next destination, Riga. Chicago Airport. Let's try this one more time. There we go. Sometimes it takes 2 times when you're drinking and teleporting, so do not drink and teleport. So we're actually right now, guys, we're in Riga, Latvia, and what is behind me is St. Peter's Church. And God, would you look at that ass? What's up, guys? We're about to go see what Riga has to offer today, but first things first, we gotta get caffeinated and get some good breakfast in. Let's go check it out. So guys, this wall is actually made out of egg cartons. So I'm gonna start the day off with an omelet, has some turkey, some vegetables. It looks pretty good. What'd you get, Navid?
I got the same thing except extra cheese. Doing it right.
All right, man. Just gonna pick one of these peppers to put on it, right? What's up, guys? You just ate at Ritz in Riga, and let me tell you, it's probably one of the best breakfasts I've had in a long time. It was all fresh. It took a little bit to come out. I think they had to go hunt the chicken down to go find the eggs, but hey, it was 10 out of 10 easily. Best breakfast I've had. We gotta flag this guy down on his bike. He parked in the wrong place. She looks like she's enjoying her Friday night. Alright guys, right behind me is the Swedish Gate in Riga. And it's an old medieval gate where the executioner actually used to live above in those windows up there. In the day of an execution, he would actually hang up a flower up there. And luckily for us, I don't see any flowers. So hopefully we'll be okay. Alright guys, so right behind me is the House of the Blackheads. And it's not named that way because they had bad acne. So actually, it was actually built in 1334 for a meeting venue for different people and everything. It was actually rebuilt in 1999 because it was destroyed by the bombs during World War II. And before it was a temporary address for the president of Latvia. Where are we at, man?
We're at the Black Magic Bar. Feels like you're in the 16th century apothecary. It's really odd. And really fascinating, actually.
Think they have any potions to help me pick up women around here?
Now I got a nice chocolate potion. That's about all I could muster up.
So guys, what's my opinion on Riga? So I'm going to tell you a little bit of backstory. So coming from Ireland, where everyone's cheery, everyone wants to drink, everyone's real happy, you know, let's have a Guinness, mate. Well, that's Australian. But from coming from that happy atmosphere to coming to Riga, it's like a big culture shock because there's more of a Russian influence here in Riga. And so when we first got here, it seems like everyone's being rude, but you have to take that with a grain of salt because everyone is a little bit more serious here. So a little bit more stern and serious versus cheerful, happy, let's get drunk together, you know, like in Ireland. So that's kind of the big difference here. What's my thoughts on it? I think it's actually really cool here. Lots of things to do, lots of things to see, good food. What's it not like? And also everything's cheap. Even better. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next destination, okay? Tallinn, Estonia, here we come. So if you need some computer work done, go to Penis. Actually not, these guys are dicks.